Ladies and gentlemen, today we have this beautiful 2018 Toyota Hilux. It's a 2.4 GD with 5 gears, with a tow bar, cattle rail, rubberizing, original steel rims. And this bakkie in this great condition is ready to work. Look at those beautiful vlakvarken on the flicker lights. And on the inside it might look like this bakkie was never used before. Look at this beautiful condition with a reverse camera, 5-speed manual, leather seats. What a great condition for this beautiful bakkie. And this 2018 Toyota Hilux 2.4 GD with only 129,000 kilometers on the clock is going for a price of 329,900 Rand, and it's available at Kimberley Bakkie Center